What's up, guys? Welcome to Stanley's Reviews. Don't hesitate to subscribe. My name is Stan. I need about 1,000 subscribers, so don't hesitate to subscribe to the page so we can actually grow and actually keep providing you more content like this going forward. But today we're going to be talking about my desk reorganization and new desk setup that I just got done. And I wanted to showcase to you guys some various products that I was able to get my hands on and use for my desk that are very useful, and some products I'm going to be sending back, i.e. the keyboard. It's a little darker than I anticipated it being, but I'll definitely replace that. So we're going to dive into my little new setup here, my little corner of productivity, how I was able to get it to the point that it's at now. If you don't know, my previous video, my desk was horrible. The organization on it was absolutely hideous, to say the least, just to be nice. And I wanted to actually get it to the point where I wanted to sit at my desk and work and get work done and not have to worry about breaking my back sitting on a coffee table, lift up coffee table to make, to do creative stuff for you guys, to bring content to you guys, to edit my videos and do any sort of productivity activities that I may need to do in the future and stuff of that nature. So I wanted to have a set place to work and bring you awesome content and great editing videos. And this is it. I'm going to actually start showcasing to you guys exactly what I have going on here. Let's get into the video further. Like I said, all the product links will be in the description below as well. You can purchase them yourself if you're interested in anything that you see on my desk there whatsoever. So let's get into it, guys. Let's go. Alright, guys, we're going to get into the bigger stuff first. I was able to get my hands on a pair of pop-in file cabinets. I got a blue one and I got a red one. The red one I got off of Facebook Marketplace. However, this one I got off of Amazon. This one worked perfectly. I was able to store all my stuff in there, and there was no issue with it whatsoever. All my stuff is perfectly stored in there, and I'm going to leave the link for this file cabinet in the description below so you can get yourself one as well. However, the red one was a little difficult to deal with because the lock up there was jammed. So I had to pretty much reach out to Poppin, and they were very nice. They only charged me 20 bucks plus $5 shipping for this new lock. And now this actually locks and unlocks. I'm going to showcase that to you guys. These are the keys right there. And I can unlock it, open all my stuff, put my MacBook in there, and all my files, and I can lock it back, and it's all working properly. So if you're missing a key for your pop-in file cabinet, Easy Keys is also a great place to go to actually get duplicate keys for these type of file cabinets, just so you know. Or you could also reach out to Poppin. They can send you a new lock with 2 sets of keys, just like I did, so you can actually replace the lock going forward. So that's fixed, and that's also fixed. That's working just as good. Where's the keys for that one? I think it's right here. And this lock here is perfect as well. It locks and it unlocks. So that's how cool that is. That solved that problem. And now we're gonna get onto my desktop here. Alright, guys, I was able to get my hands on a nice desk. sweet crispy desk. It's actually adjustable. It's, you press, I set mine to a set number and it's able to go up, and that's exactly the height I needed it to get on to actually work standing up. So I got myself a great adjustable desk there, and the link for that desk will be in the description below as well. This chair, I don't necessarily really know what I'm gonna be doing with it, so it's one of those maybe, maybe not, because it's not ergonomic like I would want to have. So I'm definitely gonna see, I'm gonna look around and see what I can find in regards to that. And if I do find one, I'll definitely do a review of just the chair in itself, because everything else should be something that you're quite familiar with going forward. So I'll just do a review of the chair if I choose to upgrade it. I am gonna upgrade the massage pad. It's not that great. The heating works awesome in it, but however the massage feature is not that great, and it's made by Home Medics, so it's not really that great. I need the shiatsu ones, to say the least there. So now we're going back to the desk in itself. So that's the desk. Right there, you could see I have my Lenovo 5. And on top of it is my keyboard, mouse, and obviously my monitor, my 29-inch LG monitor. So we're going to actually dive into all of this. There's also the monitor stand that I didn't use as a monitor stand. I just used it as a regular stand in front of to charge my phone. And obviously there's the light. There's the tracks lights over there for your desk as well. That's underneath there, strobing. That's also a good feature to have for your desk. Alright guys, this is the desk in a nutshell. You could see I have my little coaster here. This is not going to be linked on Amazon, so don't worry about that. I have my Lenovo 5 pretty much ready to go. And this is my monitor. This is the LG 29-inch monitor. There's my tracks light back there to light up underneath in the background of my monitor. And I also got me a keyboard. It's a little darker than I wanted it to be. When the lights are off here, if I'm working in the dark in any way, shape, or form, that could be quite of a problem finding the keys and stuff of that nature. So it would make more sense for me to just get something lighter. So this might be something this idea might be of getting this keyboard and mouse combo might be something that I'm gonna actually be replacing very, very soon. And also, as you can see here, this is the controller for my sound system. And my speakers are awesome. They're pretty much embedded back there. Right back here. That's the speakers I have, and I'll leave the link in the description below. They are awesome, great sounding speakers, to say the least. Let me see if I can give you a little bit of snippet of sound. I want to thank you guys for taking the time to review my video, to watch my videos.
Congratulations, you found Perscolas. We train people for careers in.
See how great they sound? And that's pretty much that in a nutshell as far as the monitor stand is concerned. This monitor stand, it works exactly like it's supposed to. And this actually it has embedded into it a docking system. And I wish the docking system, you could actually flip this on its side and move all of this stuff away, all the wires away from the monitor in itself, and without any issue whatsoever. That's what's so cool about it. I just kind of wish that they had placed it at the lower end on the footing of it, so it would be that way. But obviously you lose a couple inches when you do that. and you can actually see my speaker a little better because it's actually the 29-inch monitor engulfs it right now, to say the least. So the monitor in itself is awesome. I can actually multitask and create various ways to make stuff work. So it actually allows me to be more productive. Before, I had two little tiny 15-inch portable monitors. While they were okay, but keep moving stuff from one screen to another was kind of difficult to deal with. So this monitor allows me to do all the stuff I need to do, and it comes with HDMI cable and also an optical cable in the back of it. When my laptop is connected to the monitor, the screen is blank, which is cool with me because everything mirrors over like it's supposed to. So that's actually a good thing, and I appreciate that very, very much. This monitor is actually golden. It allows me to be far more productive than I was ever able to be before because of the accessibility of everything on my laptop. So that's the good part about it. And the link for that will be in the description below as well. The link for the monitor stand is also in the description. The link for everything on the desk will be in the description below as well. You could purchase anything here with anything you see here will have a link available to it, and you can click on it and purchase if you're interested in it. Obviously, I do have a laptop stand underneath this as well. I think it was like $10. I had that for a few years, so I don't know if I can find that link for you. So I'm not even going to showcase it or surface it to you guys. But and it does take quite a lot of space. The laptop in itself does take quite a lot of space on my desk. It leaves me a little bit of space over here for me to write my notes down, and anything that I need to write down over this way, I can actually just write it down. So going forward, I'm definitely going to buy or invest in a notebook that actually is able to transpose all of this stuff that I'm writing onto my desk. But that's soon to come. And when I do that, I'll do a review of that as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't hesitate to comment. If you guys have any comments, feel free to hit me up in the comments below. I need you guys to interact with me. Don't hesitate to subscribe as well. I need 1,000 subscribers. So help me reach my goal here of getting to 4,000 subscribers by the end of this month. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace.